This is a teardown of an Altronix Netway1 single port injector Midspan. And basically it's a PoE injector for networking, and it runs off of a 24 volt AC or DC input. And I think this is like a control input to turn on and off. But took the screws out of it already. And surprisingly not much to see in there. I wasn't really aware of what's required for PoE, but apparently the circuitry is pretty straightforward. Got some interesting surface mount stuff on the bottom there. I think these little canister looking things are diodes. I guess we could see, because this was the input side, so yeah, those might be diodes. Wonder if that transit, or not transit, IC chip will focus. Oh, let's see. There's writing on it. Maybe I need a little zoom. No, it's not right. Oh, no, actually it is. I think it says C8, or no, 38C43. But yeah, this back at the top side here. Huh. Well, it's definitely bad. The magic smoke escaped that. There's a little explosion there. Dang, phone won't focus. There we go. So yeah, that's oh, I burned off the leg even. I think there's a leg there. I don't know. Kind of see by the hole that I swear this phone. Come on, focus. Looks like a leg blew itself off. Well, that's unfortunate. I have a couple more of these, but they are probably just going to get recycled at this point because I don't have any use for them. But, yeah, I don't know. It blew up. All the magic smoke escaped. And quite the bank of capacitors here. They appear to all be in series. Or not series, I'm sorry, parallel. They're all in parallel because, let's see, the minus sign. Yeah, the minus sign's following this line, and the positive side's following this line. Kind of makes them look weird because they're slowly turning. But, yep, I don't know. I probably took a little longer to look at than it should have, but hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.